Gikone to koro jopuonj ma mbalariany noyudo fuong'ruok bang' piny owacho chulogi omenda maromo siling bilion 6.8 manyiso ni gibandho e winjruok mane ne gikete kokgi mar higa 2017 nyaka 21 kod 21 nyaka 25 kane oyango wachni e romo mane gibago e mbalariany ma Technical University of Mombasa. Charles Mukwaya, ma en jagoro maduong' e riwruog jotije mbalariany KUSU, oyango ni omenda ni osechwal e mbalariany duto mag piny owacho. Kara kamano okwayo piny owacho mondo mi ochwal negi omenda mag tayo chenro mag winjruok mar higa 2025 nyaka 29 kapok yiero maduong' ochopo mondo mi chenro mag yiero maduong' kik rochi winjruok ma kamano.
That by yesterday, the government did wire the 6.8 billion shillings to public universities. Thank you. But also to remind the same government, one of the issues that has been bedeviling and is still bedeviling universities is lack of funding and adequate funding. We are currently on the table negotiating the 2025-2029 CBA. That CBA requires funding. And so, with this good spirit and the goodwill that the government has shown in releasing these outstanding arrears that go way back 9 years ago, now that they have been released and they are within the universities, we call upon the government to make good the 2025-2029 CBA funds. And we only wish that as we go back onto the table to negotiate with a view of concluding these CBAs, we will have all these funds availed and we move on. We would love this thing to be done now, before the next year, because of the pending elections.
DCP